Hi, today I want to show you this CASEKOO KooShock case for iPhone 14 Pro, which is technically semi-translucent case. So first, when you open the box, of course you have the case, which I'm gonna come back to it shortly, but you also have these two cool sets of stickers, which is pretty nice, but even more importantly, you also get the stand. And this stand works the best horizontally, but it's also possible to put your phone vertically. Now, as far as the case goes, it looks pretty cool actually, and I've got it in this blue color. However, there's many different color options to choose from. So the entire back of the case is kind of frosted or translucent, if you will, and when you put the phone inside, you can still see the Apple logo, but then all the borders of the case, and that includes the camera border, is actually not translucent, it's in full color. And speaking about the corners and the borders of this case, they're also relatively soft, which is obviously gonna be good for protection, and the back is somewhat hard. Now, what I really like about this case, besides the look of course, is actually how soft the buttons work. So I don't have the 14 Pro yet because I'm waiting for it, but I actually put my iPhone 13 Pro inside, and when you push the volume buttons and the power button, they work really smoothly, they're very soft, and they feel premium. So this is a really cool case, I think, protective in the same time, and for this case and for everything that is included in the box, I think this is actually a great buy, especially for that price. And by the way, just quickly, if you're interested in this case, the link is gonna be in the description down below. And if you're still looking for some other cases, make sure to check these two videos on the side. So thank you for watching this quick video, I hope it was helpful, and perhaps I see you next time. Bye!